Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy! So you want to know more about how to use a vibration dog collar? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to use a vibration dog collar is www.k9electronics.com. Specifically the page titled How to Choose the Best Dog Training Collar, Dog Training. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.youtube.com, especially the page Training a Deaf Dog to Use a Vibrating Collar, YouTube. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.electronicdogtrainingcollars.org. The web page How to Use a Dog Shock Collar, Electronic Dog Training. Here's the link.